Hello. Hi. Welcome to my little project. The project is named Spark the Game, and the idea behind the name is like in the forest when you have a campfire, it's a spark in the dark, and this game is a uh RPG adventure text based cap game. So, okay, let me show you the game. And it is not finished yet, but it's I got out of the button to work. So I just want to show you guys how it works and for the project. And I'm starting it up. Yeah, it's like quite some time because I'm having too many applications right now on my computer. All right. So as you can see, we have a lot of things going on here. Uh, this this window you're seeing is the main window, which is tell you the story. And so you see, you walk up at a campfire, and which is our current location, the campfire. The point of the game is to gather resources and use it to keep the game going. So basically, I'd say this game is like you can play it forever as long as you can as long as you survive. Okay, I mean that, and it's the have a story for you to go through, and I'm working on it. So okay, so I'm gonna show you how the game supposed to work. Okay, so as you can see, we have left is shack and right is table. So for the campfire, as you can see, this small label right here is the temperature. It is 65 Fahrenheit, and this window is the time. It is 8 o'clock and 6 minutes now, and it's going up every second for 1 minute. So yeah, so the time is kind of like 24 minutes a day. Um, and I work on the mood, the move, stat. It is currently 5, which means that you're okay right now, and it's supposed to be the text right here with tells you what you're feeling right now. Um, but I don't know. I will make it go up later. And so now you see it's 65 because I'm sitting right next to the campfire. When I click go right, you see it's gonna say the time, and you say you move right to table, and it's actually moved to table, and so I can keep going to the forest. So when I click exam location. Oh, sorry about the number. Okay, so you see the forest. You can get a stick here, but only once in a while, and I'm pretty sure it is for every 1 hour you can get a one, and the 60 here is to print out the number of seconds before the next time you can gather it. So as you can see in this area is this inventory, and you have a stick in it. So we go back to the campfire, click the stick, click use, and the temperature go up by 5. And so you use the stick to strengthen the fire, it gets a little warmer. And that's for 2 hours. Yep, 120 seconds. So basically, when I work on the hunger and thirst, I will be adding food and fish, meat, and water. The stuff that you can consume in the inventory, and I will be working on the items like equipments too. Oh, it's you see, it's cow. You can get a stick at the forest now. So I go back to the forest. I got a stick. There we go. And yep. And so you keep doing that. The reason why you need to get a stick and keep going doing that because if the temperature go too low, you're gonna feel not so good, and if your mood reach zero or any of the stat reach zero, you're gonna die. Yep, and that's how the game works. There are many things to explore. The table is where you can craft stuff, and I'm working on it. The trail is for you get me like is you can when you examine it, it's a you see a trail you can follow. Should you do though? So every location have its own unique story behind it and the function that you can do. So yeah, so now I'm gonna show you the code. Uh, Yeah. All right. So, yeah, I know this is not perfect yet, and I'm working on it. And yeah, so this is the code, and this is just bunch of variable, and so as you can see, for every time tick, the time is go by one, and a really bunch of code of text, and then I'm trying to add more to it. So I will send you the file so you can see it for yourself. So yeah, that's my final project, and uh, if you want, I can finish it, and I will try to send it to you as soon as possible. But right now, I will send you the current version of it now, so you can yeah, you can grade it. Yep. All right. Okay. So thank you for listening to my presentation. Um, have a good night.